Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Chevy truck fuel door spring clip. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and your new spring clip. Make sure you're working in a well-lit area so you can clearly see the small components. This simple repair can be done quickly, restoring your fuel door's proper function. It's a common issue, and fixing it yourself saves time and money. Now, let's remove the old clip. Fully open your Chevy truck's fuel door to expose the hinge mechanism. Look closely at the hinge pin where the spring clip is located. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry the old clip away from the pin. It might be a bit stiff, so take your time to avoid damaging the surrounding plastic. Once it's loose, you can pull it off. With the old clip removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your replacement spring clip and carefully position it onto the hinge pin. Make sure the ends of the clip are aligned with the small slots or grooves on the hinge. Apply firm, even pressure until you hear or feel the clip snap securely into place. Give the fuel door a few gentle open and close cycles to ensure it's working correctly. To finish up, perform a final check. Open and close your fuel door several times to ensure it operates smoothly and the new spring clip holds it securely. It should now stay closed without any issues. This easy repair keeps your truck looking good and functioning properly. For more great tips and deals, check the description below this video. And speaking of quality, if you're tired of flimsy socks, you'll find a link to darn tough socks there too. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.